Hey guys, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, California, and today we're looking at a 2018 Harley-Davidson Softail Lowrider. Really well-maintained motorcycle. Does have a few upgrades like the higher handlebars, the nice high sissy bar, passenger pad on the back, and last but definitely not least, has the Vance & Hines pipes. So let's take a listen. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, California, and we are open 6 days a week for test rides. Come check this one out. It's not going to be around for a long time.